Hello friends, I hope you do quite well, and here 200 professional banner templates for social media, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherry.pwd.com, just one time payment for lifetime access, and here my new store. You can download everything in cheap price or get membership in just $10. Okay, here Facebook banner. These files are Adobe Photoshop. Here preview and here PSD without photos. Okay, you need photo for this banner. You can replace your own photo. Okay, and put your own content here. Okay, here total 51 file and 25 files are PSD. Next, Facebook cover, same thing here. You can put anything in this file. Post banner, all in one, this one. Next, font, you need font. Okay, and here Instagram. Okay. 25 PSD template for Instagram, and here stories. Same thing here, 25 PSD. View in detail, and here Photoshop. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Love is.